Starting at $249, the Apple Watch SE2 is the company's new mid-range smartwatch, and while not exactly as inexpensive as some of the best cheapest smartwatches, its lower price and features will make it attractive for first-time smartwatch owners and families who want to outfit their kids with a smartwatch. The Apple Watch SE2 is available for a starting price of $249 for the 40mm Wi-Fi model and $299 for the cellular version, and is available starting on September 16. That's $30 less than the starting price of the Apple Watch SE in the US. Since the Apple Watch 3 isn't sold in a cellular version anymore, the Apple Watch SE 2 GPS plus cellular is the most affordable way to free an Apple Watch from any of the best iPhones. That makes the Apple Watch SE 2 a good choice for family setup if you want to outfit your child or parent with a smartwatch for communication and safety controls. The Apple Watch SE 2 will come in three finishes: silver, midnight, and starlight. The Apple Watch SE 2 is one of the three new Apple Watch versions coming in 2022, along with the Apple Watch 8 and Apple Watch Ultra Iraq variant. For many Garmin users who want a bit more smart in their smartwatch, this is the Apple Watch many will have been waiting for. Larger, longer lasting, and more rugged than any other timepiece from Apple in the past. This is designed to be the device for the active users over the Apple Watch 8. It's coming at a much higher price as a result, but if you are looking to get all of the benefits of a watch that can truly communicate with your iPhone but actually helps you achieve your fitness goals, then this could well be the one to go for. Then again, there is a reason brands like Garmin are dominating the premium smartwatch market, where the fitness and health monitoring features are so much more advanced. Can Apple really catch up, and how does it feel to wear this thing? Okay, let's find out. If you are thinking that this is going to be the watch that will cheaply slip in your life and give you a whole new layer of fitness, well, you are halfway wrong. The Apple Watch Ultra is not cheap, coming in at $799 for the 49mm version, but then again it's not as expensive as some might have expected, with rumors of something well over $1,000 in the ether. At least we have got some better news when it comes to when you can get your hands on it. The Apple Watch Ultra release date is set for Friday, September 13th, with pre-orders opening already. The Apple Watch Series 8 might seem a bit boring compared to the brand new Apple Watch Ultra, but don't be mistaken. Upgrades to health tracking, safety, and connectivity look to make the best smartwatch even better. All the standout Apple Watch Series 8 upgrades are on the inside. The new watch has the long-rumored skin temperature sensor and long-awaited low-power mode, which can extend the latest Apple Watch's battery life to 36 hours. The Apple Watch 8 also has a new crash detection feature, leveraging improved motion sensors for instant help when you might need it most. Otherwise, not much else is new, but that's on brand for what I've come to expect from the Apple Watch year after year. Incremental updates to the watch continue to pay off as Apple keeps the $399 starting price in place. Whether it's enough again this time around, that remains to be seen in a full review. For now, here are my hands-on impressions of Apple Watch Series 8 and an overview of all the new features. When stationed at the demonstration table with the new Apple Watch devices, the Apple Watch Ultra is the first one I reached for. That's not a knock to the Apple Watch Series 8. I did eventually try it on. The skin temperature sensor, crash detection, and low power mode seem like good additions to the experience. Will they be enough? Stay tuned for a full review of the Apple Watch Series 8. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed.